Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Binance website step by step. The first thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Binance. After you've typed that in, you can hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. After that, you can either continue with Apple, continue with Google, or enter your mobile number or your email and then hit continue. You must verify that you are a human by selecting airplanes or whatever it asks you to. After that, you must head over to your email app. I'm using Gmail, so I'm going to be heading to my Gmail app, refresh it, and then tap on the email sent by Binance, long press on the code, hit copy, head back over to the Binance website, long press, hit paste, and then now you'll have to create your password and then hit continue to sign up for your Binance account. After signing up, you'll have to log into your Binance account to access your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.